Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use AliExpress promo codes and coins to save more money on your orders. So let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Please make sure to add a product to your cart through the search or different section available in the home page. But for me, I have already added the product in the cart, so I will directly click the cart icon at the bottom. Here I can see the list of the product that I have added to the cart. Within it, you can just select the product that you like or remove it, and after selecting the product, tap checkout. On the order confirmation page, you can scroll down to the summary section. Here within the promo codes, there is enter given at the right of it. Simply tap on it. Then type your promo code or coupon codes if available, then tap apply. If the code is valid, the discount is applied instantly, but by default the product already have coupons available, so I don't have to apply it, and it also shows the original price as well as the discount amount with shipping fee. But if you want to use the AliExpress coin, first you need to collect them. Make sure to tap the account icon given at the bottom right corner. On the account page, you will see different icons. Here tap on coins. Now it will redirect you to the coin page. Within it, tap collect. And as you can see, I have successfully collected the coins. Below the coin section, you will also see options like price land, play and run, merge boss, go match. You can play these games and complete the tasks to earn more coins. Then go within the coin section and then tap collect button. Within it, you will see different sections like for you, viewed, news and deals. You can just simply scroll down the product and tap on any one that you like. These are the products where the coins discounts are available. So when you choose a product that supports coin discounts, the coins are automatically applied during checkout, so you don't need to enter any code, while the prices are reduced automatically. And that's how you can use AliExpress promo codes and coins to save money. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.